History of cinema. In the 1890s, the Lumiere brothers revolutionized entertainment with the invention of the cinematograph. This sparked the birth of cinema. The silent era followed, where storytelling relied solely on visuals. Icons such as Charlie Chaplin emerged, captivating audiences worldwide. Then, the 1920s brought a talkies, films with sound. The Jazz Singer, the first talkie, transformed cinema forever. The 1950s saw the advent of color films, enhancing storytelling with vibrant visuals. Today, cinema is a blend of technology and creativity, from 3D films to virtual reality experiences. Truly, cinema's evolution is a tale as captivating as the stories it tells.